Hi everyone, this is Dr. E and I just wanted to provide you with a quick video to walk you through where to go to access D2L, to get to your student email, and some of those things that will just get you started for the semester. So as you can see on the screen, I'm at the North Harris homepage, so I start at lonestar.edu. You'll see up here /North Harris, or you can just go directly to lonestar.edu. Right here is where you will log into My Lone Star. So if you click that quick link, it will then take you to your login page. And this is the login you'll use for everything as a student, at Lone Star in general, but North Harris definitely. So once you log in, you'll see something similar to what you'll see on my screen. Yours is a little different as a student, but don't worry about that too much. So this is essentially where you will go to find all the information you need as a student. So you can check on your schedule, you can check on your D2L courses. So this is a great place to just get familiar with and spend some time kind of clicking around to get used to. If you click on this icon right here, this will take you to your D2L homepage. Forgive me, once you click on this, it will take you to your D2L homepage. So again, yours is going to look a little different based on the courses that you're in, but what I really want you to focus in on is this right here, the student orientation for online classes. This is something you need to take in order to start your online classes, and it just walks you through some of the different areas of D2L, some of the different functionality. So it's a good kind of refresher for some of you who maybe haven't been on D2L in a while, or to those of you for whom this is completely new. Just take some time walking through this orientation. To move around in D2L, you can do a couple of things. You can click on this icon, which provides all of your class, all of your classes in a list. As you can see, I've had a lot of classes that I taught, so again, yours is going to look a little different. Don't get too caught up in that. Or you can click over at the Lone Star Online icon, and then it comes back to your classes. So you can navigate through all the different courses you're taking currently. I also want you to note that if you go back and I'm going to click the home button right here, if you go back to your general login area for My Lone Star, you have an icon for your student email. This is going to become a lot more important this semester with the virtual classes if you're taking online or hybrid courses. So you want to make sure that you're keeping in touch via this email. If you click on this, yours will look a little different again. I just have kind of a mock student email set up. So this is where you're going to get all the updates about what's happening at Lone Star, what's happening at North Harris specifically. A lot of your instructors may email you through this program versus through D2L. You just want to make sure that you know what each professor is looking for. But one thing I do want to make clear is that there's not only the opportunity to focus on your email here, but also to use the online resources. So if you click this little icon right here at the top with all the little dots, you'll get this drop-down menu. So you have access to an online version of Microsoft Word, you have an online version of PowerPoint, all of these items that are free to you as students at Lone Star. I do want you to note that if you're using the online version of Microsoft Word, the functionality is a little bit different than if you had the full version downloaded on your device or computer. And it is something that as a student you can access, the full version, download it through the Office of Technology Services. That's something to investigate, and I can provide information to my students in the future, and you can request from your professors. So if we go back to that email and the icon at the top left, I want you to also note that there's the option for OneDrive. So many of you, may be familiar with this, this online cloud saving cloud service. I really hope that you take some time to invest in it. As a student at Lone Star, you have quite a bit of space that's available to you to save all your school documents. And it makes it easy to access from any computer, tablet. You can access it from your phone. So if you click on OneDrive, this is where you can save all your documents just by clicking this upload button. You just save the document on your phone or on your tablet or on your on your laptop, and then you can upload to either a file, either a single file or upload to a specific folder for your class. So this is just kind of a way to show you what's available to you. Again, there's the online version of PowerPoint. You have quite a bit, quite a few resources that are available to you as students at Lone Star, and that's just kind of a quick view of where to start, where to go. And then once you go through that orientation, you can go in and look at your different classes, click around, see what information is there, and always let us know if there's anything we can do to help. So hang in there and good luck this semester.